everyone, it's Thursday. I am lucky enough to be standing here at Righttime Medical Care with Katharine. So this is Katharine. She is the Executive Director of Community Relations. And the reason that we've been invited here today is because they are a sponsor for the Preschool and Child Care Fair that is happening on Saturday, January 26th at the Westfield Annapolis Mall. And Righttime, as the Director of Community Relations, this just seems to go hand in hand. And community, I mean, the Preschool and Child Care Fair is a great resource. It's free to attend. It is from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. We actually are going to start workshops and demonstrations early at 9:30 because I know the mall opens and there's tons of activities happening at the mall even before all the stores open. And so we're really pleased to be a part of the community and being a part of this fair. And again, I just want to thank you for your sponsorship and for your involvement. Excuse me. And so I'm also here because I'm interested. I want to know more about Righttime, and I want to know more about this practice. So if you don't mind, can you just share some of the things just about Righttime?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much for including us in this exciting time leading up to the preschool fair. Righttime loves children. We're so excited that we are celebrating this year 30 years caring for our community here in Annapolis, which is our original location, founded in 1989 by a group of visionary pediatricians who recognized the need to provide after-hours care that was non-emergent for children until they could be seen and followed up with their pediatricians. So Dr. Bob Graw, our founder and CEO, who's leading our company today, recognized that, and over the years, we were asking, our parents were asking for care, child care providers bringing the children in were asking for care, grandparents. So now we are thrilled and privileged to provide urgent care to individuals of all ages.
That's wonderful. Actually, I didn't know that.
Yes,
so it's wonderful. So it's not just pediatric, but it's, you know, all ages. That's
correct.
Really great.
We were founded as nighttime pediatrics. So many people to this day say, "Oh, I'm going to nighttime," and now we're Righttime. So the right care at the right time.
Perfect. Yeah, and I see how important that is. You know, as a mom myself, you know, your kid has a ear infection. You don't necessarily want to wait the whole night, you know, and have them be in pain. So that is great that you have this service. And,
and everyone is so busy. We're all busy. It's just the way our lives are right now. So our mission within the community to each and every one of our patients is to simplify access to trustworthy medical care. In 30 years, the thousands of patients we've seen, our community trusts us, and we're so appreciative for that. So what we mean by simplifying access, patients are able to walk in for an appointment, walk in and be seen right away. They're able to visit our website at myrighttime.com and schedule an appointment at their convenience. Or they're able to pick up the phone and call, and we also even offer telemedicine now.
Oh, really? Wow.
So our goal is to evolve with what our patients are asking for. So we want to be able to provide and serve them in what works best for them.
Well, I think you're doing exactly that by being a part of the Preschool and Child Care Fair, because you're not only, you're going out to them. Your 30 years of experience, you're able to share with the community by being a part of these activities, by being out in the community and not necessarily having to have it be so clinical. You know, like in the exam room when you are worried about your child or you're worried about yourself and your own health, and just to be able to. So Dr. Graw, you said he's one of the founding. He's doing a presentation that is going to start at 10 o'clock at the preschool fair, and it's a talk about when to worry, when to relax. And so I believe he's going to discuss common sicknesses and illnesses, and when is a good time to be really concerned about it, and when is sometimes that you can, you know, be like, it's normal, or, you know, this is an easily fixable problem or something like that. So I think he's going to be a really great presentation on, you know, easing fears of worrisome parents for sure.
Well, we've heard so much about traumatic brain injuries recently and concussions, and Righttime actually established a program 7 years ago, named Head First Sports Injury and Concussion Care. And we think about NFL football players or athletes on the field, that they're the ones getting concussed. But we see even toddlers are hitting their heads on coffee tables or slipping and falling when sledding in the ice and snow. And we have a very unique, specific program. We work with, we have a pediatric neurologist, pediatric neuropsychologist. We have a really great group of care providers who specialize in truly making sure that every engagement, every opportunity to care for a child or individual of all ages gets the expertise they need so they can return to their active lives.
Again, and just yet another great example of just what your knowledge and what experience that you have here and how you're just helping all of us, really. So,
right. Well, it's just so rewarding. So many of our patients that started with us 30 years ago are now bringing their children in to see us, and even their grandchildren. So we call this group Right Time for a Lifetime. We're here and we're growing, which is exciting. We're
great.
opening our 18th location in Bethesda next week.
Wow.
And so when our patients
Congratulations.
here in Anne Arundel County and Annapolis, when they're traveling to Montgomery County or Charles County to learn about the history that took place there, or Frederick to go to the outlets, if you need urgent care, you can visit us again at myrighttime.com
find the locations.
see our
Great.
many locations, and we can care for you and get you back to your active lives.
That's wonderful. So please make sure that you come to the preschool and child care fair again Saturday the 26th. Stop by the Right Time table. Be open to their knowledge and their experience and expertise.
Great.
And so I just want to say thank you again,
Thank you
Katharine,
for
having
visiting.
me here.
Yes,
and
thank you.
I hope everyone has a great weekend, and we'll talk to you all next week.
Thank
And
you.
we'll see you at the
Excited to
preschool
see
fair.
you next weekend.
Bye.